Hey, welcome to the fascinating world of Python coding, and specifically today, we are going to be talking about arrays, which as you might know, are essentially lists in Python but with a specific twist. You see, arrays in Python aren't as straightforward as in some other languages, but we've learned to get creative with our tools. Let's dive into how we create arrays in Python and spruce them up for our workloads. Now, picture this. I'm starting my day with the morning cup of coffee, just like I'm starting learning array creation in Python, a world-class language with some peculiar traits. So let me walk you through crafting an array, shall we? First things first, in Python, list comprehension is our go-to method for creating arrays, and it's quite the nifty trick, let me tell you. It's this one-liner that can create lists on the fly, applying conditions and transformations in a neat little package. But don't worry if it seems too abstract right away, we can always stick with the built-in list structure, and for that, we just put our elements into square brackets with commas, and voila, we got ourselves a Python array. Let's write our simple lists and see them in action, okay. Numbers is equal to print, we've just created a basic array. Pretty easy, right? Now, imagine it as a list of numbers, just as you see it on the screen. A Python list is more than just an array, as it can store different types of items, not just numbers. But today, we are focusing more on handling numerical data, like temperatures or heights of basketball players. Let's say we have their heights, and we want to store them neatly. Heights is equal to print. Think you've got the grip on this? Good. But hold on, remember I promised you more. Let's spice things up and put these heights under a microscope. Python's got us covered with its built-in functions that can calculate the sum, average, minimum, and maximum of our array. Let's compute the average height of these players. Average_height is equal to some lay print, but wait, it gets better. Python allows us to run calculations on array elements using a map. We apply a function on every element, such as cubing the numbers or applying any other mathematical function. Cubed_heights is equal to list. Before I forget, one last thing you should probably know is how we can nest arrays in Python. It's not quite the same as in other languages, but we can do it. See, in Python there's this term called a tuple that works like multidimensional arrays. Multi_dim is equal to print. Alright, we've just learned about creating arrays in Python. It's all about picking the right tool, from built-in methods, list comprehension, to specialized packages like NumPy. Now that we are familiar, why not practice a bit? Take this array, create another array with each element squared, cubed, and then find the sum, minimum, maximum, and the mean of the elements. Try playing around a bit with what you've learned today. Maybe try creating some three-dimensional array representations with list comprehensions and see where Python takes you. Ready for more Python adventures? Visit neeraj.qzz.io and subscribe to TechLab. That's it for today, folks. Keep practicing and happy coding until next time.